Hello class. In business studies, we are going to learn today chapter 3 business environment. So, first of all, let us have an introductory idea about what is the meaning of the topic. Okay. Business is a part and parcel of the environment surrounding. All of us know that business doesn't exist in isolation. It is very much there in the environment surrounding. As such, the success depends on the suitability of surrounding environment. Okay. If the environment is in favor, then there are chances of success. But at times, when the environment is favorable, then also there are chances of loss. This is why business is regarded very risky and uncertain. In context to the present situation which all of us are facing, see how did any one of us knew that we are going to pass through such a harsh phase in life? So many business people have suffered, okay, due to the COVID-19 situation. Okay, so in order to survive and grow, an enterprise must adapt itself. Now, in this situation, and if an enterprise wants to adapt, if wants to survive, then it has to adapt itself to the situation. If the government has put restriction, then it cannot do its it cannot follow its will and wish. Okay, then so this is an introductory where it is explained that business is part and parcel of environment surrounding, and success depends largely on the surrounding environment. Now come to proper meaning of business environment. Business environment means the sum total of all individuals, institutions and other forces that are outside the control of business enterprise but may affect its performance. Means all those individual, institution and other forces on whom business is not having control, but they may directly or indirectly affect the performance of business. I can take two simple examples. Suppose the increase in tax by government can make things expensive to buy. In the same way, technological improvements have made existing products obsolete. Suppose Delhi government has put 70% extra charges on the bottles of liquor. Then now, of course, the bottle of liquor will be costly. But when we see the news, then we are in such a sad situation and shocked to know that in spite of the rising prices, people are crowding and creating unnecessary situation which will be harmful for them and all of us. Correct? So this is the meaning of business environment. Now come to the features. First is totality of external force which may directly or indirectly influence the working of business. I just gave you an example of the liquor shops. It may, though we may not be going and standing in the line, but suppose any person who has gone there and we come in contact with that person directly or indirectly through number of channels or number of people, carriers in between, then we might be directly or indirectly influenced. In the same way, business is also directly or indirectly influenced by the impact of external forces. Then there are both specific and general forces in business environment. Specific forces include investors, employees, competitors, etc. General forces include 5: economic, social, technological, political, legal. Okay. Then third feature is interrelatedness. All these different elements are interrelated. Example, due to pandemic situation of COVID-19, the demand for sanitizers and masks has increased. So interrelated. So all those now who are making and providing masks and sanitizers might be finding opportunities. Then fourth one, uncertainty. It is very difficult for any business to predict future happenings. Same, I can take the situation of this COVID-19, especially and this is one illness that we are facing. But see, IT firms, how drastically they have to change. Same in the case of fashion industry, how soon the fashion changes, so the business is very uncertain and risky. Okay, come to the fifth feature, dynamic. The business environment keeps on changing, okay, due to the shift in consumers preference, entry of competitors, pricing policy, etc. Then management has to remain highly cautious, alert and adaptable. Sixth feature is complex. It is very easy to understand the environment in parts. If I tell social environment, political environment, then you can, in separately you can understand, but it is very difficult to know the relative influence of a particular force in the functioning of the business environment. And last is relatively. Business environment is relative concept, that is, it differs from country to country and region to region. Suppose if I take about the clothes that the urban people wear, and the clothes that the traditional people wear in India, so there is difference. Okay, so the demand for such type of clothes will be relative as per the dressing style of urban people and the rural people. So I hope you have understood the features, the introductory part and the meaning. So there are total 5 features: totality of external force, specific and general force, interrelatedness, uncertain, the business environment is dynamic, very difficult to understand, and relative means differ from country to country and region to region. Okay, in the next class we are going to understand about the importance of business environment and the different elements. Thank you all.